Guys, if your apps keep crashing on your Android phone, then keep watching this video. In this short video, I'll show you some simple ways to fix this problem. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First, restart your iPhone. Sometimes the problem is temporary, so first restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, then tap restart. When your phone turns on again, check if the app is still crashing. Method 1. Clear app cache. Sometimes app crash because of corrupted cache files. To fix this, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Now select the crashing app, tap Storage and Cache, then press Clear Cache. Method 2. Turn off developer options. Now try this method. Open Settings, search for developer options. Now open it, and at the top you'll see a toggle switch. Turn the toggle off to disable developer options and restart your device. Method 3. Check storage space. Low storage can also cause apps to crash. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Storage. Here, delete unnecessary files, photos or apps to free up space. Method 4. Update your system. Sometimes your system bugs can cause app crashes. Go to Settings. On the Settings, scroll down and tap on System. Then tap Software Update or System Update and install any available updates. Method 5. Reinstall the app. If the problem still continues, uninstall the app and install it again from the Play Store. That's it. By following these simple methods, you can fix most app crashing problems on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.